Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina held bilateral talks in New Delhi today, focusing on enhancing defense modernization, combating terrorism and extremism, and ensuring border peace. During her first bilateral visit since Bangladesh's 12th parliamentary elections, Prime Minister Hasina emphasized on India as a crucial neighbor and a trusted regional partner, highlighting the long-standing ties dating back to Bangladesh's independence war in 1971. She in fact invited PM Modi to visit Bangladesh to witness the ongoing developments and discuss future plans as well. The meetings resulted in several agreements between the two countries, including partnerships in digital and environmental initiatives, maritime cooperation, telecommunications, railways, oceanography, disaster management, as well as defense education.
रक्षा सहयोग को और मजबूत करने के लिए डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन से लेकर सैन्य बलों के आधुनिकीकरण पर हमारी विस्तार से चर्चा हुई। हमने काउंटर टेररिज्म, कट्टरवाद और बॉर्डर के शांतिपूर्ण प्रबंधन पर अपनी सहभागिता को मजबूत करने का निश्चय किया है। इंडियन ओशन क्षेत्र के लिए हमारी विजन समान है। इंडो पैसिफिक ओशन इनिशिएटिव्स में शामिल होने के लिए बांग्लादेश के निर्णय का हम स्वागत करते हैं। हम बिम्स्टेक सहित अन्य रीजनल और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फोरम पर भी अपना सहयोग जारी रखेंगे।
This is my first bilateral visit to any country after Bangladesh's 12th parliamentary elections and the formation of our new government in January 2024. I thank the Government of India for extending warm hospitality to me and my delegation. Ladies and gentlemen, India is our major neighbor, trusted friend and regional partner. Bangladesh greatly values our relations with India, which were born during our War of Liberation in 1971.
All right, so there, India and Bangladesh signing several agreements today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina holding bilateral talks. Remember, India has placed a lot of emphasis on Bangladesh as its neighbor under its Look East policy, which came with the Modi government. A refocus, a re-emphasis on the neighbors that we have, and Bangladesh being a crucial neighbor for India. Of course, the two countries had several crucial agreements that were signed today, including in defense modernization and education, as well as technology assistance. But remember, this also comes as a bus service between Kolkata and Chittagong was started today by the two leaders.